Did you know that over 50% of buyers rate finding the right home the hardest part of the home buying process? And that it takes 10 weeks for the average buyer to find their home?
9 weeks later.
Hi, my name is Denise Johnson, and I would love the opportunity to be able to earn your business so you don't have to worry about the long search times that many buyers do. I joined the real estate market as a realtor in the crazy year of the pandemic after flipping a house in the city of Winder. And since then, I've been focused in the areas of Gwinnett, Barrow, and Walton County. However, I'm more than willing to go the extra mile if needed. Whether you're a dream home seeker, downsizing to a new home, or looking for your next rental property, I will be here to provide expert guidance, negotiation skills, and personalized services every step of the way. When clients follow my guidance, they have consistently secured their desired property in 2 weeks or less, which is 5 times faster than the typical buyer. My mission is simple. It's to make your real estate journey smooth, successful, and stress-free. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what my happy clients have to say. Let's connect. Call, text, or email me anytime today so we can get started on making your real estate dreams a reality. I'm so looking forward to working with you. Talk soon.